Being an M2, I haven't really been able to use ultrasound in a clinic, like on a real patient. We always use standardized patients, obviously. But that being said, I definitely see now, looking back on my M1 year, just that going to the Ultrasound Institute and having that interaction with the standardized patients, it was definitely just a good way to get comfortable dealing with that kind of human interaction. Like, I'm the caregiver, you're the patient, you know. Granted, they were standardized patients, but it still, you still had to appreciate their modesty. You still had to make sure they were comfortable and, like, you know, kind of let them understand what you were doing, and in that kind of aspect, it definitely just got you comfortable with that kind of, you know, patient-physician relationship. And now in my second year, you know, in my second semester of my second year, we are doing a lot more in the hospital to kind of prepare us for third year. I haven't actually had to use ultrasound in the hospital, but I mean, just walking into the hospital, I'd already kind of had that experience of, you know, I want you to feel comfortable. I want you to, you know, have this trust in me, and, you know, I need to know what I'm doing when I'm around these, you know, pieces of medical equipment. So. Ultrasound definitely is the safest, you know, viewing modality, you know, compared to X-ray or CT or things like that. You know, so it's safe for the patient, and also now in this day and age, you kind of have to talk about price too. And ultrasound is definitely not as expensive, and it's faster. You don't have to order. You don't have to order an X-ray and have the patient transported there. You can just wheel in the ultrasound machine and just do it right there if you're a physician that, you know, has that ability to, you know, do a competent scan. And so it's just something that's really fast. You don't have to wait to get a report back from a technician, or you don't have to wait for that, you know, viewing modality to be accomplished or anything like that. So it's safer, it's faster, and in a lot of emergency situations, you could definitely see how that could pay, you know, huge dividends. And so in that, and I mean, just in those specific natures, it's really easy to see how beneficial it could be, and how beneficial it could be to have ultrasound incorporated in medical education across the board.